Hello everyone! Today we are going to learn how to automate pressing key combos in your UIlicious test script. UIlicious is an online tool for testing your website across browsers. In this tutorial, we are going to automate a flow that involves using 3 different keyboard shortcuts. First, we are going to inboxkitten.com, then we'll use Control+a to select all of the randomly generated email username, followed by Control+c to copy the selection. And finally, we will use Control+v to paste the generated email username into the GitHub login field. Okay, let's start by going to snippet.uilicious.com and use the free online test editor. Now let's start by going to inboxkitten.com. And then what we want to do is we want to set the focus on this email input field over here by using a click command. Now that we have used the mouse to set the focus on the email input field, we want to press Control+a to select all of the text. We're going to use the I.press command, which lets you press keys on a keyboard. To press multiple keys at the same time, we will use an array and specify the keys that we want to press together. So the first key will be the Control key, and then press A, which allows us to select all text in the focused field. Then what we're going to do is we are going to press Control+c to copy the text that is selected. Copy. And now that we have copied the text, what we are going to do next is we are going to go to github.com, the login page, and then set the focus on the email input field, which is login field. I.click login field, and then we are going to do the same thing over here. Instead of Control+c, we'll do Control+v. And finally, to make this complete, we want to use the I.type command to type in the domain of the email service, inboxkitten.com. Okay, let's run this test. Okay, so now let's have a look at our test. First, it goes to inboxkitten.com. It clicks on the email input field, and then press Control+a to select all of the text. Press Control+c to copy the text, which says shape-compare-31. And then we go to github.com, click on the login field, and then press Control+v to paste the copied text, and then finally complete the email with the email domain at inboxkitten.com. So you can see at step 8, the email that was copied, which is shape-compare-31, has been copied correctly over to the input field. So that's how you press key combos using UIlicious with the I.press command.